CONFU Group aims to warm all families with genial breeze, shoulders the mission of creating a beautiful life. It is committed to the R&D and manufacture of hairdryer as well as multi-series household appliances such as hair straightener, hair curler, and lint remover, etc. Modern production scale and advanced production management ecology system contributed to the gorgeous transformation from manufacture to creation for CONFU. For the past many years, CONFU products have been not only well known in China, but also enjoy good reputation all over the world, which were exported to over 40 countries and areas, including Europe and America. Here is the big brand, the big dream, and the big layout. CONFU maximizes opportunities with premium quality, wins markets through brand effect, and unremittingly strives to build a centurial Chinese brand.